Looking to breathe new life into your hospitality property brand? Discover the top tips and tricks for reviving your brand and reigniting your success. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And make sure to hit the little bell so you'll be informed when I upload a new video. You won't want to miss anything I designed especially for you. Today's episode, Reviving Your Hospitality Property Brand, Tips and Tricks, is a guest post written by Courtney Rosenfeld. Hospitality property businesses are constantly evolving with the times. There is so much competition out there that it's essential to remain current and relevant. One of the best ways to accomplish that is to refresh your brand. Updating your image and messaging will help your business stand out and attract new customers. But how do you go about refreshing your brand, and where do you start? Keystone HPD shares some tips and tricks for giving your hospitality property a fresh new look. Continue reading, watching, or listening, and I'll share why it is important to refresh your brand in the hospitality industry, right after a word from our sponsor. Attention, all current and aspiring hotel, resort, inn, bed and breakfast, and holiday rental owners and managers. Are you ready to take your hospitality property business to the next level? Look no further. The Guide to Owning and Operating a Hospitality Property Successfully online course is here to help you succeed. This course is packed with valuable information and insider tips from industry experts, covering everything from marketing strategies and customer service to financial management and staff training. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, this course is perfect for anyone looking to grow their business and enhance their skills. You will learn how to create a memorable guest experience and keep your guests coming back for more. What are you waiting for? Enroll today and start reaping the benefits of a successful hospitality property business. Before the break, I said I would share why it is important to refresh your brand in the hospitality industry. Why is it important to refresh your brand in the hospitality property industry? Revitalizing your brand is crucial for a number of reasons. First, it helps you keep your company relevant and contemporary. As the world changes, so do customer preferences. So you must be aware of emergency industry trends and ensure your brand aligns with them. Refreshing your brand can also help attract new customers. You may be able to appeal to a new demographic or audience by simply modifying your image and message. Keep in mind that if everyone in your industry is doing the same thing, a unique and fresh brand will make your business more noticeable and memorable. In other words, you'll distinguish your bed and breakfast or hotel from your rivals. Using your brand in your marketing materials. Once you've developed a new brand image, you'll want to make sure it's reflected in all your marketing materials. This includes your website, social media pages, menus, flyers, business cards, and any other promotional materials. Confirm that your staff are aware of the new branding and are appropriately trained on communicating it. Consistency is key, so you want your new branding to be visible everywhere your business is represented. Consider designing a trifold brochure that incorporates your new branding elements. You can use an online brochure maker and customize a pre-made template to fit your needs. An attention-grabbing brochure that perfectly showcases your business and its offerings can do wonders for brand recognition. Revisiting your values and mission. Your brand isn't about your official identity. It also represents who you are as a company. When refreshing your brand, remember to revisit your values and mission. Doing so will help you ensure that your new branding aligns with your business goals and philosophy. If you haven't yet defined your company values and mission, now is the time to do it. They should inform your brand messaging, be evident to customers, and drive every step you take as an organization. Create a new logo. Your logo is a critical part of your brand identity. It is the visual representation of your company and should convey your brand identity in a concise and memorable way. If your old logo isn't working anymore, make a new one. Just make sure it's scalable, easy to read, and in line with the rest of your branding elements. Are these making sense so far? Let me know in the comments. Select new color scheme. Your color scheme is another critical aspect of your brand identity. Different colors invoke different feelings and emotions in people. So go with a palette that fits your brand's values and messaging. Consider what emotions you want your brand to inspire and choose the colors that align with those emotions. Make sure the colors match your new logo and are consistent across all marketing materials. Do you have a good slogan? Any consumer will tell you that a good slogan can help them remember a business and what it stands for. Resolve to come up with a new slogan if your old one is no longer getting it done. Focus on creating a slogan that aligns with your brand identity and mission while standing apart from the rest of the hospitality property industry. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to say. In conclusion, refreshing your hospitality property business brand is a vital step towards staying relevant and attracting new customers. From elevating your values to updating your marketing materials to creating a slogan, you can create a fresh new identity that accurately reflects who you are as a property. Don't be afraid to take risks and try something new. It might just pay off in the long run. Keeping your business up to date and in touch with the latest trends will help ensure it remains competitive and successful. Would you like to read more helpful content or learn about our property development services? Visit KeystoneHPD.com today. Have you ever considered reviving your hospitality property brand? Let me know in the comments. We cover more on all aspects of operating a hospitality property in the Guide to Owning and Operating a Hospitality Property Successfully course. Check it out. You can find more information at keystonehpd.com/course. As always, you're going to have access to this episode for as long as you'd like. But if you'd like to see all the bonuses you would have access to as a member of the Hospitality Property School group, check out the short video in this episode post show notes. In our next episode, I will be talking about the hotel maintenance employee qualifications to look for. That's it for today's episode. Until next time, have a fun day. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you sign up for those great weekly insider tips. Say hi on social and join one of our groups. And make sure to get your free copy of the How to Improve Your Hospitality Property Success. All of the links are in the show notes.